What's the meaning of backgammon? Backgammon. Backgammon.
Backgammon. Backgammon. Backgammon is a board game that has been played for thousands of years. The origins of the game can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Greece, and Rome. The game is played by two players on a board consisting of 24 triangles or points. The triangles are divided into 4 quadrants of 6 triangles each, with each quadrant containing alternating colors. The objective of the game is to move all of one's pieces off the board before the opponent. Players roll dice to determine how many spaces they can move their pieces, and strategy plays a key role in the game. Backgammon is a popular game worldwide, enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels.